Hi there, today's walk is down on the Central Coast. Today's walk will take you from Pearl Beach to Patonga and back. The walk itself is around about 8.5 kilometres long and only about 4 hours to complete. Maybe a bit longer depending if I stop and have lunch at Patonga Pub. Let's go have a look, let's go for a walk and talk. Pearl Beach will be one of the prettiest and probably one of the most secluded beaches up here on the Central Coast. Just beautiful, isn't it? We'll just go out across the beach and make our way out to Green Point to start our walk. Here's the view of the beach and the bay from the sea pool that's out on the rock platform that goes around Green Point. We're out in the tip of Green Point. Look out in the distance, we can see Lion Island. Lion Island is a nature reserve for birds and other animal species. Just have to work out how to get up there and continue our walk. One more look out from the point, out towards Lion Island, before heading off along the track. We'll go through this short section of bush, then a short street section of about 300 metres, then we'll get into the bush proper. The Pearl Beach and Patonga Fire Trail runs off Crystal Avenue. From here, it's around about 4 kilometres to get to Patonga. I think I got lucky today. It's a beautiful, cool, sunny winter's morning. A beautiful day for a walk in the bush. This is probably one of the longest rock overhangs we've ever seen. It probably goes for over 100 metres. There's a couple just up ahead of me, taking advantage of these ideal walking conditions and doing the walk today too. Here's the turn off to the Warra Lookout. Let's go and have a look. Wow, what a view. Looking out towards the east, that's Barrenjoey and West Head. Further around, we see the opening to the Hawkesbury River. And further around still, there's Patonga. Here's the track off to Warra Treat. We'll have a look at that on the way back. Here's the start of the Dark Corner track that leads all the way down the hill, all the way down to Patonga. So far, it's only been a gradual descent. I believe it gets much steeper later. It seems the further we go along this track, it gets rockier and steeper. It's definitely getting more steep. I'm not going to enjoy the trip up this hill one little bit. As much as I know it's not going to be fun coming back up this hill, I've got to say, this is a good looking track. You have to stop every so often and just take in the view, take a couple of deep breaths and just appreciate it all. Made it to the bottom of the hill and started to see the beach through the trees. Once we crossed this patch of sand, we should be able to see the Patonga pub, where we're going to stop and have a bit of lunch. Patonga is another one of those beautiful secluded spots up here on the coast. Being midweek, it's a bit quiet here today. It suits me. All I want is a quick bite, get my breath back, and then just start my trip back up the hill. Thanks, Patonga Pub. You were just what was needed as a turnaround point today. It's now time to start the 1 kilometre hike up the hill. these grass trees would have to be one of my favourite Aussie bush plants. I won't lie, I can't say I enjoyed the trip up these rocky street paths very much at all. Well, that's all the climbing done for today, except for the short climb up to Warra Creek. Warra Creek is just a survey post. There's really not much to see, just a post stuck in the ground. Really, the main significance it has around here is just it's a signpost, really, for the Great North Walk. Back on the main track. It's all downhill from here, nice and easy. Back along the extra long rock overhang. Exiting the fire trail, back onto Crystal Avenue, making our way back down to Green Point. One last look out from Green Point before heading back to Pearl Beach. I've returned to Pearl Beach. Today's walk is about 8.5 kilometres and took me just on 4.5 hours of walking time. There's only one steep section, and that was the section coming up at Patonga back up to the fire trail. After that, it's fairly easy going. I hope you liked this video. If you did, like, subscribe, share and leave a comment. Thanks for watching. Bye.